All right, all right. Hello, everybody, and welcome to Mumbai Bike Diaries for another review. And today we have the in-demand NS400Z, the new version with more power, fat tire, 150 section fat tire. This is the change. I'm going to tell you the changes that are there. 150 section tire aaya hai. Apollo H1, very good tires, very grippy tires. I have these tires on my Kawasaki Ninja and they're amazing. And they've increased the power, the horsepower has increased, the PS has increased. They've given you a quick shifter now, so you can shift up and down only on sports mode. It's called sports shift in Bajaj terms. And that's pretty much it. The colors also are the same. The color looks quite similar to the earlier one. And you get USDs. The earlier ones, I believe, did not have USDs. You have fat golden USD forks coming on every bike now. Let me switch on the light for you and show you. This looks like that. This is a DRL. You have a projector lamp in the middle. Very good lighting. Bajaj is known for very good lights. Very good headlamps. And here you have the tail lamp, which is quite boring to be honest and quite basic. मुझे लगा कि at least जब NS400 launch हुई थी तब एक नया tail lamp देना चाहिए था. Headlamp को थोड़ा modify किया है इन्होंने. एक extra shroud add किया है, cover add किया है. But as such it should have had better more distinction. मुझे लगता था कि हमेशा ये NS400 NS200 की दिखती है एंड सच में दिखती है बिकॉज इतना डिफरेंस नहीं है बाइक के प्रपोर्शंस में, साइज़ में, नॉट दैट डिफरेंट. सो आई विश दैट in my opinion looks wise bike doesn't look so good because it looks a lot like the NS200, but the front looks decent and now with the tires the bike looks bigger and feels bigger. So taillight, I don't like the taillight at all because it looks same as the NS200 की तरह दिखती है. तो मुझे एक्चुअली पीछे से पता नहीं चलता है बाइक NS200 है कि NS400 है. Let me show you the exhaust note quickly and we'll get onto the highway. Foot pegs are rare, a little bit rare set, little bit. You get this LCD screen, reverse LCD screen. Yo, welcome to Mumbai Bike Diaries for today's review, and we have the Bajaj NS400, the new version. Comes with a quick shifter, bi-directional quick shifter only on sports mode, more power than the earlier bike, and also comes with a 150 section Apollo H1 fat tire from a 140 earlier. And this is very exciting. Let's take the bike out to the highway and find out how does this feel. And what the fuck is up with this Baleno guy? Oh bhai. Oh, okay, fair enough. Lovely. Let's take the bike out. Holy shit. Feels solid, feels heavy. This is the first time I'm riding a NS400. I haven't ridden the earlier bike. मैंने पहली बाइक, जो पहली वाली बाइक है वो नहीं चलाई है. Fuck's sake, the front wheel wants to lift off. What the fuck? Okay, Bajaj. There is a lot of power in the rear wheel. Yeah, very aggressive gears. Braking is decent. Bike is not knocking too much on lower gears. Let me take a U-turn here and rev the bike out a little bit. Take a U-turn. Okay. Sitting position is quite not sporty, but it is very roadster. Like you're sitting a bit ahead, front leaned हुआ bike पे, and then you have this kind of acceleration. Holy shit, that's gonna make you go absolutely crazy. Holy shit. I mean, the rear feels alright. The front feels a bit, what do you say? It's a bit too soft for my liking. Clutch is a little bit heavy. Negatives, clutch is a bit heavy. A little bit heavy. It is a slipper, but it's not that light as light as you'd think. But positives, the power is insane. The tire grip is now very good, and the quick shifter is now on board. So let me try it out. Okay, very smooth, and it's a bi-directional quick shifter, which means that it goes up and down. So no need for the clutch, because the clutch is bad, but you don't need it as such because you've got a quick shifter. All you need to do is hit the gear lever, and I need some space. Not the smoothest quick shifter, but it's not a bad one either. It's nice. It's not as smooth as a KTM, but hey, for this price you're getting a quick shifter on your bike. That's absolutely crazy. Let's be clear about that. Lovely. It holds the revs for you so that you don't feel any bump. That's what the quick shifter does. It shifts gears for you without you having to do any effort with the clutch or think about the revs or anything like that. So hey, that's pretty good. Seat feels comfortable. It's pretty hard. It's not a soft seat, which is good for long distance rides. I think Bajaj has thought that out pretty well. But yeah, Bajaj sucks at customer service and all that, so let me take the bike through here. Okay. Gear shifting feels a bit odd because this bike is absolutely new. Handling is absolutely perfect. And the bike has a lovely exhaust note. Yeah. What can I say? The exhaust note is absolutely beautiful. And once you get into that 7,000-8,000 RPM spot, the bike just kicks into action. Let's take this nice little bit of a curvy road. Suspension feels top-notch, but the front suspension leaves a little bit to be desired, especially since these are USDs. You expect better suspension, but hey wow, क्या कर रहा है भाई, क्या कर रहा है? It's not the most lean friendly bike, but oh wow. The bike is just throwing me forward. What, brakes are a bit too snappy on this bike. The handling is not the best, but it's decent enough for a naked bike. But there are better bikes that handle better. Lovely. Exhaust note feels nice. Everything feels good. These new tires have made such a big difference, boss. Yeah, Polo H1 tires डाल देना, मजा आ गया. Lovely. Handling only gives me a bit of confidence because of the H1 tires, but this bike का जो chassis है, it's not meant for like aggressive leaning and handling. You know, you can't lean this bike like a sports bike. But some naked bikes do lean pretty well, but this bike is not one of them. But bike handles pretty well, so nothing to complain in that aspect. And look at the acceleration, and oh my god, after 6,000-7,000 RPM ये बाइक में जो मज़ा आता है, क्या बताओ आपको. अब किसको ये बाइक लेनी चाहिए? अगर आपके पास NS200 है तो ये आपके लिए परफेक्ट अपग्रेड होगी ये गाड़ी. अगर आपके पास एक 150-200 या इवन 250 सीसी की बाइक है, दिस इज़ अ परफेक्ट अपग्रेड फॉर यू. यू शुड डेफिनेटली गो अहेड विद दिस बाइक. टेस्ट ड्राइव इट, बिकॉज ये प्राइस में, जो प्राइस आपको बजाज दे रही है, ये प्राइस में आपको कभी ऐसी गाड़ी नहीं मिलने वाली है. इम्पॉसिबल है, पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. इंडियन ब्रांड देख लो, बाहर की ब्रांड देख लो, कोई भी ब्रांड देख लो, बजाज ये प्राइस में बजाज इज किलिंग इट. लाइक वैल्यू फॉर मनी है ये बाइक. इतने फीचर्स मिल रहे हैं आपको जो बड़ी बड़ी बाइक्स में भी बहुत पैसे देने के बाद मिलते हैं. सो आई वांट टू एंजॉय लिटिल बिट. वाओ. I am very impressed with this bike. Bloody hell. This is me from Mumbai Bike Diaries logging out for today, and I hope you enjoyed the short review of the Bajaj NS 400. अगर आप 200 सीसी की बाइक ढूंढ रहे हो, आप 200 सीसी की बाइक से जंप कर रहे हो 400 सीसी में, और आपको एक अच्छी बाइक चाहिए, दिस इज़ द परफेक्ट बाइक. प्राइस वाइज भी अच्छी है बहुत, और फीचर्स भी आपको अभी मिल रहे हैं. पहले बाइक में फीचर्स नहीं थे, बट ओनली थिंग इज दैट आई थिंक लुक्स में इतनी अच्छी नहीं है गाड़ी. लुक्स में काफ़ी बेसिक है, एंड इतना डिफरेंशिएशन नहीं है 200 और 400 में. बट दैट्स फाइन. अगर आप लुक्स पे इतना, अगर आप सुपरफिशियल नहीं हो इतने, तो आपको लुक्स से इतना फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता है. तो इंजन, मोटर, एवरीथिंग इज़ परफेक्ट. सस्पेंशन, brakes are very nice. Brakes are nice. You get disc brakes front and rear, ABS, dual channel ABS of course. So definitely go ahead with this bike.